Welcome back for another Agix price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets, give you areas that Agix needs to continue holding here on the charts, and also discuss a chart pattern that is now giving us a massive breakout to the upper side. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Agix is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And the next key area of resistance that I'm keeping my eyes on is at around the $0.227 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest. And then once the retest is in and a success, we can easily see Agix get above the $0.25 mark here on the charts. We are also seeing a breakout out of a chart pattern that we have been trading within, which is this descending channel, where you can now see that we have seen the breakout to the upper side, and there are high chances that we are going to continue gearing up, continue unlocking higher prices, and fully maximize the minimum target areas for the breakout, where we can have the minimum target areas at the area where all these channel all started, and that is above the $0.26 mark. And that is the chart pattern that I'm also keeping my eyes on here on the Agix chart. Also taking a look at the Elliot structure that I have here on the charts since the 10th of June, when we had this massive crash over here. And you can see that after seeing the massive crash, we started gearing up, obeying the Elliot structures, where we have now peaked in the formation of this wave 1, seen a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then the wave 5 giving us a high above the $0.28 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that Agix now has a low in place for this second wave, and soon we can see a reaction of the target area, see a break above resistance, and get impulsive in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.39262 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Agix to do in the formation of that wave 3. So on the short term, we can continue observing Agix to give us a break above resistance at around the $0.227 mark, and a break above that with a 4-hour close above that key area of resistance, maybe with a successful retest. Then from that point, we can easily see Agix get above the $0.25 mark for the breakout out of this descending channel that I have right here on the charts. Alternatively, in case we see further breakdown, because that is still a possibility, then the next key areas of support that we need to continue keeping our eyes on is at around the $0.195 mark, where we have a very significant area of support. And in case further breakdown continues, we can expect a bounce back from that key area of support and continue gearing up. And a break below that significant key area of support, we can expect one more new low below the low that we made on the 10th of June here on the charts. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the Agix chart on the short term and also on the long term. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 52 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.